So Bernie, I'm back in the basement, down here with Craig and one of the tenants here. So I just thought I'd do a quick video of the floor after all the heavy rain that we've had. So yeah, so that's some dampness there, Bernie. Where there are cracks in the floor, you can see again dampness coming through.
Financial challenges require a conversation, and we love talking about them.
Interesting. What about you, Brother Becker? Wow, that's a great question. And if you go to our app, I'm sure you'll find the answers you need. Although we do have personal service for our wealthy customers, and that's a pretty nice way to go. But until we figure that out,
I know you've seen this before, Benny, but I'm just doing a refresher course for the basement, because that always seems to be the point of a lot of interest. I think all this stuff here belongs to the lady who lives on the third floor, and again the owner is trying to get her to move this out of here because I know he doesn't like personal stuff in the basement. Right. Water tanks. Two furnaces. Right, like I say, you've seen this before, so I'm just going to end this short video here.